Transform your stairs from this to this. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, and there they go. They're turning off. How cool are these? Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we are doing a review of these light up, multicolored, dual sensor step lights. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And honestly, these were a little bit more difficult to install than I thought they were going to be. Make sure you read the instructions. Here's a little bit of a breakdown of what we did. So this particular set comes with enough to do 12 stairs. I believe there's a set that can do 16 as well. So up to 12 stairs, we have 10. So this is gonna work out perfect for us. You could already see Jamie was setting up the wire with the sensors. These are the little lights and there's 3 strands in each of these. Let's get this set up. So as you're getting ready to set all this up, you may have to cut these to the right size, which you can see where you can cut at these little gold lines here. So make sure you measure and cut. The next thing you're gonna wanna do after you measure and cut, read the numbers. They are numbered in sequence. This is step number 2, and then this is step number 3. So make sure you put them up in the right sequence order. Ask me how I know. So after you look at the numbers on these, each one of them has a little peel off that you'll stick and you'll go across here. And that's why I was saying you make sure you measure so you can cut them to your stair size. And then you want to mount your sensors. Make sure you mount this one at the bottom of your steps and the other one, I'm coming up, dun, 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 at the top of the steps.
And this is about the width as a paper clip or a chip clip.
Oh, there you go.
So make sure you got this much room for
Yep.
the lights to hide underneath your steps.
Yeah, we did have to work on that a little bit with these old wood basement steps, but Jamie managed to make it work for us. So if you're wondering why the top and bottom sensors matter, I'm at the top of the steps now. So when I get close, check that out. And the sensor goes off.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
It lights up for if I'm coming down the steps, which is pretty amazing. And there is a ton of different options in the app. Right now I have it on Cascade. Let me change it. If you don't want to install the app, there's a remote as well. So this is follow mode. See how they're turning on and shutting off? Here, I'll move the sensor again. And there you go. So they turn on, they shut off. So they kind of like follow you as you go up the stairs and turn off as you're walking. Now I'm going to show you the alternate mode. This one turns on every other step. It'll do that up and down. You can also set these to static. You can set them to like fade in and out and always be on. I like the motion features of it, that it comes on with the sensor and turns off with the sensor. You can also change the colors of these within the app. You can make them white, you can make them daylight, you can do whatever you want in there. So I put it back on Cascade. I still have it on Rainbow. You can also change how long these turn on and stay on for, and how long in between each step is lighting up. So depending on if you're a fast walker upper, you can turn them to like 0.1 second and each one will click on, or you can do it 1 full second and they'll come on as you walk up, which is really kind of cool. And then I have it set to 5 seconds. So if the sensor, it doesn't censor anything, within 5 seconds, they will turn off. But these are so cool. Let me turn some lights off. Look at this. So this is with all the lights off and just the lights from this, which I have mine set on bright. You can also change the settings, the brightness, the dimness, all of that. Look at how bright these are. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm in, what is it? Rainbow Bright. Look at how cool these are. Okay, I'm impressed. This is a win. It took us a little bit of time to install, but after we got it figured out and figured out what we were doing, we definitely got it working. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. If you guys are looking for a really fun way to light up your steps, we just did them on our basement steps because it's the only steps we have in the house. This is a great way to do it. I love this. We recommend this.